Hey guys, Doug here. I am charging up this pack, preparing for a discharge test to see how many amp hours of capacity is left in these cells. I'm using my iCharger X8. So I'm going to charge this one, then this one, and then we'll move on to doing discharge tests on each one of these. See what the amp hour capacities are in these 12-volt packs that we created. Alright guys, Doug back here. We are almost at full charge of this battery pack. As soon as we hit that, I will drop this into discharge test. The charge that I did, you see it says 6 amp hours, was just to bring the pack up to its top voltage. Otherwise full charge. So now we're down to putting 3.24 amps in. 30 watts and 2.9 or 10 amps. So as it gets at the top voltage, it's throttling back the charge. Currently we're down to 0.98 amps, 14 watts. It's finishing up its absorption charge. As soon as this is done, we will switch it over. Alright, charge just finished. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a discharge. Put it at a 5 amp discharge. Let me get the specs on the A123 cells. All right. So it looks like I've got the cells. This is 2650 M1A. All right, here's the all right, so M1A. This is, it looks like it says 2.2 amp hours capacity. Kind of hoping for a little more than that. 3.3 voltage nominal. All right, so it looks like I'll leave it at 2.5. And we're going to start the discharge. All right. So we are discharging at 50 watts. So we're going to let this run a while, and we will come back. Hey guys, Doug here. We let the pack discharge. There's 15.29 amp hours in this pack. There's 8 cells in series, parallel, and then 4 in series. So 8 times 2 would be 16. So we're under 2 amp hours per cell. We will go ahead and let this charge back up, and we'll test the second pack, and we'll see what the results, if the results are around the same. All right, so we just took the same pack that we discharged, charged it back up to see what our reading would be, and it took 15.466 amp hours of charge. So that's a pretty good sign. I'm going to do a second pack of a discharge, and we'll see if this pack and this pack, considering that they were broken down from the same larger 36 volt pack, see if this has the same 15 amp hours as this one. So I'm going to take this. Let me put the camera down. Alright, so I'm going to take this pack here. I'm going to move it over here to a place that looked like it had no metal down. Pull this pack over. Put this down. Alright, I'm going to take the multimeter and verify that my positive and negative connections are accurate. Alright. There we go. So this one might need to charge up a little bit. It was at 13 point something. So what I'll do, life, charge, yes. Alright. So this is going to get the pack to full capacity. Running about 4 amps. And then we'll start the discharge. Alright guys, so I finished topping this up. I'm going to do a discharge. Alright, discharge is usually pretty low, 3 point something amps. I'll let this run for a while and see what it comes up with. Be back soon. Hey guys, alright, so the voltage probably hasn't recovered. It just finished yet. 15.232 amp hours on this pack here. This pack there was 15.6. So I would say that that is pretty dang close. That pack there will be about 15 amp hours. So there's your capacity tests of these 12 volt LifePo4 packs. Degradation of the cells, they started out at 2500 milliamp hour and they're sitting somewhere around 1900 milliamp hour. Obviously I think these were used in buses, so I'm sure that they had some activity going on. Hence, if you see here, when I got this pack, the bus bar was like melted or rusted off. I don't know. That's the reason why I decided to break this pack down into 12 volt packs. I got another pack I want to break down. So that'll be 15, 30, 45 amp hours. I'll put another 45 amp hours together, and I'm going to replace the battery in my portable box with these. I'll do a video on that replacement. I want to harvest my 38 120s for a different, more high capacity usage than just going camping. Well, thank you for watching. As always, click like, subscribe, share with your friends if they're interested in this. And we'll see you in the next video.